Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you the idea on how you can fix if your Sonos amp is not connecting to Wi-Fi and what you can do about it. So what you can actually do is really simple, and maybe it's going to work out. So first, unplug it. When you're going to unplug it, then what you want to do is you just want to press and hold the infinity button, and while you're going to hold the infinity button, you just want to plug it back in. And what will happen then is that the white light is going to switch from white to orange. It will go white, orange, white, orange, white, orange, and then it will just go to green, and you can just like release the button. And maybe because you're going to perform the factory reset, is going to allow you to then to connect it. So this is something that you can try. I'm not saying it's going to work out, but you can just try. So first, plug it out. Then you want to hold the infinity button to this one right here. And when you're going to hold it, then you want to plug it back in, and then the white light is going to change from white to orange, white to orange, white to orange, and maybe possibly it's going to work out. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you're having a great day, and goodbye.